How to make iPhone alarm only vibrate. First you'll go into the alarm app, then you'll click on edit, or you would select the alarm time that you would like, set the alarm type. After you click on edit, then click on it, then click on sound. There you see you can select different sounds, but we'll go straight down to the bottom and then click on none. And then you can select the type of vibration that you like, a heartbeat, quick, or anything. And that's it. And then you click on save. You tab out and tab on back and then click on save. And that's it.